Have you ever encountered a situation where Windows operating system cannot boot? Or need to recover data when the computer has problems? WinPE will be a great assistant for you. What is Windows PE? Windows PE, short for Windows Preinstallation Environment, is a stripped-down version of Windows designed for tasks such as system installation, repair, and rescue. You can boot WinPE from a USB or CD to access your computer, even if the main operating system fails. With WinPE, you can diagnose, recover, and even rescue important data with ease. Diagnose and fix operating system errors. When the operating system crashes, the computer cannot operate stably or even boot. In these cases, WinPE is the perfect rescue tool to diagnose and repair operating system errors. Recover data from a hard drive. When your computer crashes and cannot boot, the biggest worry is that important data inside may be lost. However, with WinPE, you can easily recover data from hard drive safely. Reinstall or restore Windows. When the operating system has a serious problem that cannot be booted and requires reinstalling Windows, you can use WinPE to easily install or restore Windows from the ISO file on the hard drive. Delete or recover computer access password. You forgot your computer login password and cannot access the operating system? Don't worry, with WinPE, removing the password becomes easy and fast without reinstalling Windows. Partitioning and disk management. Need to repartition your drive before installing an operating system, or want to manage your storage space more efficiently? Use WinPE to do it easily. With WinPE, you no longer have to worry about operating system problems. In the next video, I will guide you how to install WinPE on your computer hard drive or USB. Don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more useful videos.